Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to transition two clips together, such as a dissolve or a cut, wipe, barn door open, close, diagonal, anything you want. Shotcut makes it really easy. So the first thing you want to do is get your two clips, and right now I'm editing a montage that I will be uploading to the channel, and it's going to consist of different things that we've gone over together. And at the end here, I want to dissolve this black background into this nice light blue background. So how we do that is we grab one of the backgrounds, drag and drop it on top of the other for however long you want the transition to last. So for me, generally, I want it to be like decently short. So we're going to have it closer to the edge here. And if we line it up and let go, we'll get this little pink and teal kind of color, and all we have to do is click on it, make sure it's bordered in red, and over here we get our little menu. Now right now it auto selects dissolve, but we can choose other things. Obviously there's a ton of choices, and they also let you choose custom. So I haven't actually tried that myself, but you can actually upload your own transition in the right format. So for this one, we're going to just use dissolve because I like it the best. Just a nice simple fade in and fade out. And if we click it here and rewatch this, we get our nice fade and it looks beautiful. Shotcut does a really nice just job of fading two colors together, and it looks really good. And obviously you can see a lot of these throughout my video, and they're consistently used for different dissolving clips to transition between each one, make it look smooth, make the montage look amazing. So stay tuned for the montage to come out. It's going to be cool. You'll be using everything that we've learned so far, nothing else. And yeah, make sure to be ready for that. Subscribe if this video helped you. Make sure to hit that like button if you liked it too, and comment what you want to see more in future videos. Thank you.